I decided to do the Masters as it would equip me with the skills that I would probably need later on in life. So when I go for sort of more management-based roles and higher up the sort of the structures, it's highly likely that sort of a Masters or equivalent will be required. So it made sense really to continue my education in sort of have the continuity from undergraduate into postgraduate in one go. So when I left school, I did something completely different to this, and then having done that for a number of years, I decided that wasn't for me, and I wanted to retrain. My sort of second passion and my hobby at the time was engineering and tinkering in the garage and that sort of thing. So inspired by that, and my dad, who was a mechanical engineer, I decided to come back to university and retrain. So in October, after I handed my dissertation, I will start work at a local company called Grainger and Worrall. They produce very, very high quality, low volume castings, aluminium alloy, steel, cast iron castings for the automotive and motorsport industry primarily. So I'll be going there as a graduate engineer initially. After sort of rotation around the different business areas, I'll be working in their prototyping department. So I'll be dealing with any kind of prototype castings and machinings that come in to the business, largely targeted at automotive and motorsport. So the areas that they're looking to explore into, for example, additive manufacturing, those sorts of things, I've some experience of here. So the two tie up really well. What I really like about studying here is I think we're quite unique on Telford campus in that we're sort of the main subject area taught here. If you want to go and see one of your lecturers, one of your staff, you can always find them in their office, or they're never far away, or we can ring them up, and it's a much more personal relationship, I think, with the staff here. We've got some fantastic facilities here. We've got some of the most advanced manufacturing technology in the world, and tied in with things like our metrology suite and things like that. And then on the Masters as well, there's been things like project management modules, research modules, the sort of the softer skills, which again will be invaluable when I get to that point where I'll be looking after my own projects and hopefully then going into management later on in my career.